Nighty-night.
How to set up Hue with Amazon Alexa. With the help of Amazon Alexa, you can control your lights with your voice. So, you'll need your phone, an Alexa-enabled device, and the Amazon Alexa app. Use your phone to open the Amazon Alexa app and open the menu. Then go to Skills and search for the Hue skill. Once you found the Philips Hue skill, press the blue button to enable the skill. Sign in with your My Hue account and press Discover Devices. The app will now search for connected devices. It can take up to 20 seconds. That's it. Now you can control your lights with your voice. Alexa, turn on living room. Hue personal wireless lighting. Innovation in you. Philips.
¿Funciona? ¿Me ves?
Sí, funciona. Es súper guay. Vas a recoger tus juguetes.
Reparto.
Ahora mismo voy.
Hola.
¿Voy yo o vas tú?
Vale, voy yo.
¡Ey, gracias! Vamos.
Oye, ¿puedo ayudarte?
¿Estás ahí?
No, lo siento, no estoy en casa.
¡Mamá, mamá! ¡Vamos!
Ya voy.
Alexa, turn on the kitchen.
Heard of Nuki? With Nuki, your smartphone becomes a key and your door lock becomes smart. Control your door with the Nuki app, wherever you happen to be.
Hello, love. Where are you? Oh, I'm totally stuck in traffic, but I'll let you in straight away.
If you don't have any hands-free, the auto unlock function unlocks for you. Like magic. For new people in your life, you can grant access permission with Nuki. Perhaps for a new boyfriend. Or for the dog sitter. Cleaner. For Granny and Grandpa, of course. Smart, eh? Nuki Smart Lock is compatible with standard cylinders. Installation is complete in a few minutes without any screws or drilling. With the bridge, you can control Nuki remotely, so you can reach it from anywhere. Thanks to the many extension options, Nuki offers the perfect solution for every application. For example, there's the Nuki fob, for people who don't have a smartphone or who tend to mislay their keys. And the Nuki keypad. Just enter a 6-digit entry code and you're in. Compatible with iOS and Android smartphones, Nuki is also the most flexible smart lock when it comes to integration in existing smart home systems. It communicates with all smart speakers. And now, from version 2.0 on, it can interact brilliantly with Apple HomeKit. There are plenty of new developments under the hood too. The faster processor has yielded a roughly 3-fold increase in speed of communication. Bluetooth 5 significantly increases range and improves the auto unlock experience. And regarding flexibility, it's now possible to assign up to 200 access permissions. Also revolutionary is the door sensor. With this, the Nuki Smart Lock reports not only the status of the lock mechanism, but also that of the door. Turn your smartphone into a key? Make your door lock smart. With Nuki, one smart lock for all.